So let me explain what's going on with the collection. As you can see here, this is that, and they're all over the place. These are all my movies. Well, they're not all my movies. I have quite a few stacked up in the closet at the moment because um, basically I had a bookshelf here and it wasn't a very sturdy one and it fell apart. And so I had to move all my books here, and we decided that all my DVDs and books can fit here in this area. Now, when this shelf fills up, I'm going to fill up the shelf in the closet. And so the idea was, instead of buying a new bookshelf, we buy a larger media tower. So we bought one off of Walmart.com. It's an Atlantic shelf, which is the same one this one is. Not the exact same shelf, but I mean same brand. And it's a larger shelf. This shelf holds about 576 Blu-rays at most. And it should about take up this entire wall here. And all these are, of course, going to go on it. A lot of the ones in the closet are going to go on it. We'll see how many I don't even know how many movies exactly I have. And so I don't even know if that would fit that many, if it would fit all my movies. I'm thinking in my mind, probably it would, but I'm not exactly sure. So we're going to put a shelf here, put all this away, and see what happens. And I will do a video on it. Now we are waiting for the shelf to ship, and then once it shows up, we will put it together, and then it will be, and then once it puts together, obviously I'll put all this back on it, clean up in here. I'm just letting you know this because there may not be videos for right now, or in my background it may look really, really messy, and that is not my fault. I just have a lot of stuff everywhere at the moment because of the shelf that fell down, and I had to move some things around. I had to move my record player over here, had to move this over here, kind of had to move this down a little bit, move that down a little bit. I had to move that there, and this there, and that, and this, and that, blah, 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 blah. It moved. Everything moved. Those had to be put back there because they can't fit on my new shelf. I had to put some things up there, move some things around in there, move everywhere. Things have been moved around everywhere, so it's, if it ever looks like, oh, we just got a new shelf. No, I did not just get a new shelf. It never is I just get a new shelf. It's I have to move everything around to find a place for the new shelf and find a new place for the new stuff. And it just, so